The National Electoral Commission has today kicked off the national youth elections in different parts of the country. The village youth council members in different parts of the country today gathered at different polling stations to vote for their new leaders. In Kazo, Kawempe division, the elections did not take place after the youth stormed the venue on allegations of missing on the voters' register. The attempt by police to block a large crowd from accessing the venue were futile. These later decided to line up behind their candidates without the authorization of the polling officials. After what seemed like the voting exercise, the different political factions' bearers claimed victory and started jubilating by carrying their favorite candidates on their shoulders as they sang their respective party slogans. The elections in Lufura zone in Bwaise were also marred by violence. The voting process was later halted after a group of youth attempted to vote even when their names were not on the village voters' register. A police officer identified as Betty Achom, who had been ensuring sanity at the voting premises at Lufura polling station, shot herself in the leg while trying to disperse the youth who had started protesting the election. She was later rushed to hospital. Patrick Onyango, the Kampala Metropolitan Police spokesperson, says Betty Achom is out of danger.
There was chaos. She tried to control the crowd, but she had forgotten that he had already cocked her gun, and in that process of push and pull, she accidentally touched the trigger and shot herself on the leg. She's out of danger. She's receiving treatment. She's not in any danger at all. She's now out of danger.
He has also appealed to the voters to observe sanity while they cast their ballots, confirming the polling villages that were chaotic.
Pererwe, Bwaise, Kiswera, Kawempe, Chebanto, Nsobya, industrial area Kagugube, Katabi, Inentebe, Chireka, Mbuyogerere. Those places we registered chaos and a few incidents where people did not find their names in the register and they turned and they wanted to fight.
Paul Bukenya, the PRO of the Electoral Commission, says the polling stations that were unable to conduct elections will go to polls tomorrow using the same voters' registers.
On the affected villages to ensure that they also have the exercise conducted, because these are progressive elections, because we need to go to the parish level. We are looking at having the elections tomorrow, because when you are not able to conclude an exercise on a polling day, a gazetted polling day, you can take it to the following day. That's our electoral law.
None of the accredited polling centers observed the health ministry's guidelines, leaving the populace at risk of contracting the coronavirus. Olivia Komgisha, NTV News.